Building Wealth with ChatGPT, a journey to financial freedom. Join me as I try to create a sustainable income using ChatGPT in just 1 year. Let's see if I can turn this AI into a wealth-building machine. I'm super excited to dive into today's topic, which is all about leveraging ChatGPT to create wealth in 2025. In today's digital economy, it's more important than ever to stay ahead of the curve and find innovative ways to build wealth. That's exactly what I want to explore with you today. We've all been there, stuck in a rut, feeling like we're not making progress towards our financial goals. Building wealth can be a daunting task, especially when you feel like you're lacking the necessary resources, knowledge, or even time. It's easy to get discouraged when it feels like everyone around you is moving forward while you're stuck in neutral. I totally get it. I've been there too. One of the biggest challenges people face when it comes to building wealth is not knowing where to start. You might have a vague idea of what you want to achieve, but you have no clue about how to get there. This lack of clarity can lead to feelings of overwhelm and frustration, causing you to give up on your goals altogether. Another common obstacle is the lack of time. We're all busy, and it's easy to put our financial goals on the back burner when life gets in the way. Between work, family, and social commitments, it can be hard to find the time and energy to focus on building wealth. So, what if I told you there was a game changer that could help you overcome these obstacles and start building wealth in a way that feels exciting and achievable? That game changer is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an incredibly powerful tool that can assist you in creating content, generating business ideas, and even providing valuable financial advice. With ChatGPT, you can tap into a world of knowledge and expertise that would otherwise be inaccessible to you. It's like having a personal coach or business partner that can help you brainstorm ideas, write content, and make informed financial decisions. For example, if you're struggling to come up with content for your blog or social media channels, ChatGPT can help you generate ideas and even write the content for you. Or, if you're trying to come up with a business idea, ChatGPT can help you brainstorm and even provide valuable insights and advice. One of the most impressive things about ChatGPT is its ability to provide personalized financial advice. By analyzing your financial situation and goals, ChatGPT can offer tailored advice on how to manage your finances, invest your money, and even reduce debt. I want to share with you a compelling case study that really highlights the potential of ChatGPT in wealth creation. A few months ago, I was talking to a friend who was struggling to make ends meet as a freelancer. They were working long hours, but barely scraping by. Fast forward a few months, and they've seen a significant increase in their income. They're now making more money than they ever thought possible, and they owe it all to ChatGPT. In another example, I know someone who used ChatGPT to create a successful online course. They were able to generate all the content for the course using ChatGPT, and the results were incredible. The course ended up making them a small fortune, and they were able to quit their day job. So, what can we take away from today's conversation? The key takeaway is that ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you overcome the obstacles that are holding you back from building wealth. Whether you're struggling with a lack of resources, knowledge, or time, ChatGPT can be the game changer you need to start achieving your financial goals. I want to hear from you. Have you had any experiences with AI tools like ChatGPT? How have you used them to create wealth or improve your financial situation? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to tune in to my next video where I'll be sharing more tips on maximizing digital resources to build wealth.